Good morning students, I am Ms. Vibha from Maa Kalyanika Public School, Pendra Road, Chhattisgarh. Today I am going to teach you class 4th maths and the topic is rounding of the numbers. So our first topic is rounding of the numbers to the nearest 10. So see here, for example, I have taken the number 47. So the trick used here is we can see the number line for the best result. See 47. Rounding of the number to the nearest 10 means we have to see the 10th place of the number. See, this is the ones, this is the 10. This is ones, this is tens. Tens here is 4. So 4 and 0. Rounding up to the tens means we will take 40 and difference 40 and plus 10 is 50. So see here, in between 40 and 50 this number will come. 47 will come. So we will round off to the 47 to the nearest 10 to 40 or 50. That we will decide in this video. See, so 47 is here. So this is the division line. See here, most important thing. 40 and 50, in between this 47 will come. So see here, for this first of all we have taken the 4 for 40 and 50. In between this we have taken the 10th digit of the given number. So it comes in between 40 and 50. So see here, this line I have made because to show you how we will put that, how we will put this number 47 here to the nearest 10. So see, 4 and 7, one's place is 7. So we have to now see, first we have made a range, 4 is there in tens, so 40, in between 40 to 50, 47 will come. Now we have to see the ones place of this given number. Ones place is here is 7. So if the ones place is 1, 2, 3, 4 or 0, then it will come in 40 range this side, and if the number in ones place is 5 or more than 5, then we will take it to the next. Means it is 7. So 47 is closer to 40 or it is closer to 50. This is the number 47. So it is closer to 50. Means only 3 steps, 1, 2 and 3 we have to take to move to 50. And if you want to move to 40, we have to take many steps, more than 3. Means simply by taking 3 steps forward, we are able to get 50. So 47 is nearest to 50. So the answer we got is 50. So 47 is nearest to 50. So 50 is the answer here. See, for example, 47 we have taken and the answer we got is 50. 47 is nearest. 47 is nearest to 50. Now, for example, if I am taking 3-digit number and we have to convert it to the nearest 10. So see, for example, we are taking the number 324. Here also we can make the number 9, but simply see, in nearest 10, when we have to round up the number to the nearest 10, we don't have to look after 10. Means this will be same as it is. We have to see only 2 digits. That is, this one is the tens and this one is the ones. So here tens is 2. So 3 will be, as I told you, 3 will be as it is. So we will write 300. 24 will be 2. We have taken tens. So it is 20 to 330. So in between 320 and 330, this number 324 will come. So it will be nearest to 320 or 330. This will come to no now. So this is 24. So now I have told you, after making the range, we have to see the ones place. Ones place here is 4. So 4 is nearest to 30 or 4 is nearest to 20. So this we have to see. 4. So here it is 24. So 24 is nearest to 20 then we will take it in the previous number, and if it is more than 5 or more than 5, then we will take to the next number. So 24 will be nearest to 320. So 324 is nearest to 320, not 330, because we have to see the ones place, and the ones place is 4, which is less than 5. Now we have to see how we can round up the numbers to the nearest. This is the second one. How we have to round up the numbers to the nearest 100. As we have learned how to round up the numbers to the nearest 10, in the same way, only by applying that same trick we will use this, we will get this answer. So see, for example, we have taken the number as 328. So now what we have to see, nearest 100. Nearest 100 means we will see the hundreds place first here to make a range in between which numbers it will come. So see, 3 is there, so it will come in the range of 300 to 400. So after taking the range, we will see the next, means the previous number. This is ones, tens and hundreds. So hundreds is there, so we have made the range 300 to 400. Now we have to see the previous number. This is 2. So ones and tens, we have to see the tens place now. So tens place, the number is 2, means it is, now we have to see both the numbers. Not only tens, we have to see both the numbers. So ones and tens. So it is 28. So we have to see here, if it comes below 50, it will come to the previous, and if it is 50 and above 50, it will go to next. Means now see here the number is 28. Number is 28 means it is below 50 or above 50. Of course, 28 is below 50. So below 50 is there, so it will come to this range. Means 328 will come, means 328 is nearest to 300. Not 400. Why? Because this is 28 and 28 is below 50, not above 50. At the same time, if I give you the second example, like I am taking here, instead of 328, I am taking 459. 459 for example. So see, I have to see for the nearest 100, hundreds place, ones, tens and 100. This is 4. So I will make 400 to 500 range. Now if ones and tens means this number is less than 50, then it will come to 400, and if it is more than 50, it will come to 500. So as it is 59, so it will come to 59 will come to next, because it is more than 50. So 459 is nearest to 500. At the same time, if the nearest 100 you have to find out and the number is 4-digit number, let us see the second example. 5, 4, 3, 2. For example, this is the second number. We have to round up the number to the nearest 100. Here also, by leaving the fourth number, we have to see only up to 100. This will be same as it is. Means the range we will see will be from here. So it is 54. 5 will be same as it is. So it is 4. So it is 400. 2. 5 will be same, and it is 400. So it will be 500. 5,400 to 5,500. This will be the range. Now less than 50. The last two digit is less than 50. Now, students, rounding of the number to the nearest thousand. Thousand is there. First we have read about the nearest 10, then to the nearest 100, and now to the nearest 1000. So see, for example, I am taking a number that is 5435. For example, I have taken this number. So now, as we have done in rounding of the number to the nearest 10 and to the nearest 100, in the same way we have to see now the nearest 1000. So we have to see the thousands place now. Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. This is the thousands place. So 5 and rest will be 0. The range will be 5000 to 6000. So see, in between these range this number will come. So now we have to see the rest 3 digit. So for the rest 3 digit, now the trick is between, means below 500 is there, then it will come to the previous this range, and for this range it should be above 500. So if it is below 500, the last bit is it is below 500, it will come to 5000 range, and if it is above 500, it will come to 6000 range. So see here, it is 435. This is 435. 400. So it is, of course, 435 means it is below 500. So it will come to 500 range. So 5435 is nearest to which number? Nearest to 5000 or 6000? It will be nearest to 5000. Again, I am giving you one more example. See here. For example, we are taking one more greater number, that is 27,850. So for example 57. This number we have taken. So see here, now we have to see the nearest thousand, means ones, tens, hundred and thousand. This is the thousands place. So this will be as it is. So 27. So it will be in between the range 27,000 to 28,000. So again, now in between this range, it will be nearest to 27,000 or 28,000. This we have to see. For this we have to see the next last 3 digits. 857 means 857. So 857. So 857 is below 500 or above 500? Of course, it is above 500. So it will go to the next. So 20,857. This number is nearest to, again answer is nearest to 27,000 or 28,000.